the way how I observe their body language, which we also studied in NLP. I think this is for me. And then yun po, parang na-manifest ko talaga. Kasi what really NLP taught me is, why are you settling for less if you can dream bigger, you can dream higher, and then the steps will just reveal itself to you na, okay, basta nagte-take action ka, pupunta ka rin dun sa goal mo. So that's really what NLP, grabe talaga, coach, 180-degree turn talaga. Kasi po I started studying 2023, yung November na 2023 batch po ng live training ako nakasama. And it felt like parang if I would do all of these things alone, it would take me 5 to 7 years. Pero parang 2 years pa lang. 2 years pa lang halos.
The reason there is that number one, tama yung
Yes.
proseso natin. Number two, tama din yung mga tao that are
Yes,
supporting
opo.
you. And number three dyan, yung community din. The
Yes.
strength of our community. Ito talaga yung, these are kumbaga your investments that you placed here. Hindi lang yung certification, kumbaga yung kinukuha natin dito. Not only that, but also all the things that are hindi natin nakikita when you decide to be part of our community, Coach
Yes.
RJ.
I realize na if you notice in the ancient times and even kahit sa sarili po nating historical background, those who have really grown, they are from a tribe, a community. Yung talaga nagtutulungan po sila na like my system, like my healer, may mga datu. So parang sabi ko, parang naulit lang siya in modern times na we have a mentor, someone also acts out as a team player, supporting, and then yung mga, ako, I really embrace na po yung role ko sa community na if I know someone
Yeah.
who would really benefit from NLP, why would I withhold? Well, di ko po gine-gatekeep ka talaga. Sabi ko, naku, ito talaga yung nakatulong sa akin.
Thank you. Thank you for that, Coach RJ. It's also you kasi, you deciding to play 100% and take action. For tayo kasi, nag-invest na tayo dito, lubos-lubusin na natin, right? If magbabago naman yung buhay natin and makuha natin
Yes.
yung gusto natin, bakit hindi?
Siguro
So,
kwento ko na rin, coach, yun kasi ba as early as I think 2021 or 2022, na na po talaga, I've been guiding people, I've been helping people. Pero ang hirap po kasi nung parang, ano yung ginagawa ko? Hindi ko alam yung ginagawa ko if I need to explain it in words or nuances. Kasi kumbaga sa pagpe-play po ng instrument, parang I just play by the ear. So
mm-hmm.
parang ang hirap, 'di ba, na what if they ask me how you do this? Hindi ko masabi. So parang ayun na po, things that you're doing now are some concepts in NLP. Mag-aral ka ng NLP. So parang sabi ko, wow, as early as 2022 or 2021 po ata yun, parang narinig ko na yung po ng NLP na aligned sa ginagawa ko. Tapos, he mentioned your name. Tapos yun na po yung sabi ko, ang galing mo, nagsunod-sunod na parang when I followed you few weeks after or few months, yun na po, yun, inopen nyo na ulit yung enrollment na kasi meron ulit for the next batch. So sabi ko, yun po yung investment na nandun yung fear pero nauuna yung excitement. Sabi ko, this is the same feeling I did when I started in copywriting. Na sabi ko, pag nauna yung excitement over fear, I know it's already a guaranteed na win for me. It's just a matter of when. Pero, yeah, sabi ko, sige, 5 years to para hindi ko ma-pressure sarili ko. Nagulat ako, parang, wow, so many happen in just a year or two.
Right. More than
Galing.
ROI ka pa, di ba? More than ROI.
Yes, kasi po the ROI is not just financially but yung talaga yung stability of your heart, of your mind. And then you always now I always see the best in people, but now nandoon na po yung layer na parang maybe I can use this NLP concept, maybe this. So parang hindi ko na po kinakapa because I already now have the tools, or it's like the deck of cards that anytime if I pull out a card, I know that this is the NLP concept for this. Yung parang kasi nagko-coaching call na rin po ako na people are just asking the questions, yung kinakwento pa lang nila. Para nagsisynthesize na po sa brain ko na, ano to, yung ganitong concept to, naaral namin to, nag-break session pa kami na coach dun. Para ano po siya, nagsa-surface ng kusa. That's why it's really so good to study the modality that resonate with you, and NLP really, kumbaga, tinawag po talaga ako kasi the signs are it kept on affirming my gifts. So that's why I really enjoy doing it, and ano po siya, na-synthesize ko talaga maigi sa copywriting
Yeah.
with how I guide people now with my mindset reframe coaching. So sabi ko, ang gaan. Sabi ko, dapat pala maaga na ako enroll, pero baka aligned mentor ko talaga si Coach Jun, kaya talaga the timing is always right. Opo,
So, and
galing.
maganda kasi is that all of us, we already do NLP eh. If you think about it, right? Pero hindi lang tayo aware. Yung ginagawa lang natin is we teach it so that lahat tayo, we use it consciously already. No, pag
Yes.
tinanong ko to, ano yung result na gusto ko? Pag binigay ko yung story na to, ano yung resulta na gusto ko, right? When you write it in your copies, ano ba yung effect sa readers?
What's really good with NLP kasi, Coach Jun, yung talagang parang hindi na siya yung I need to convince people. Sometimes it's just as simple as magkukuwento lang ako ta's biglang, ano, nag-ano na sila, na-persuade na sila. They keep on messaging me na, "Oh, I like this post. Can you tell me more about it?" So parang sabi ko, mas effortless na po ako ngayon, eh.
Yeah.
Pero yung efficiency, it really tripled or even times 5 na sabi ko, parang grabe ako mag-effort dati pero I don't see the results that I want to see. With NLP, ay yung nabawasan po yung kumbaga yung gigil ko na
Yeah.
mag-effort. Yet the efficiency talaga nag-skyrocket na sabi ko, minsan nga ano, Coach, yung parang iniisip ko pa lang biglang andiyan na, may opportunity na, or parang someone chatted me na, "How are you? I have an opportunity for you," gano'n. So parang sabi ko, eto na nga yun, parang that's why I also love learning pa po, eh. So I really collect books, tapos yung iba po pong mga inaaral ko in different field like copywriting, marketing, storytelling. Kasi nandun na po ako na parang NLP taught me na you just need to do things because you want it, and then time will come that you will be able to apply it anytime that you need it in the best possible way na ano mo talaga po, yung signature mark mo. Like, for example, if I see this, alam ko si Coach Jun na 'to. If I see this, ano, eto yung approach ni na Coach Maris, yung parang gano'n. Parang may mga nuances na rin po tayo. That's why I also want to see more people stepping up to guide others. Kasi ako po ano, eh, ang naging strength ko talaga, Coach Jun, is I think I'm a generalist. I need collaboration with other coaches kasi parang what if, yun na nga, na-loosen na po yung grip nila na, oo, kailangan ko mag-aral ng NLP, and then I can ano na po, yung I can recommend them na, okey, follow mo na si Coach yun kasi siya talaga yung nagce-certify dito sa atin sa Philippines. Kumbaga I'm one of the success stories. I can just help with you loosening your grips or you, letting go of the yung parang limiting belief, but yung talagang in-depth, si Coach Jun na. So, masaya po ako ngayon na sabi ko anything that I want binibigay sa akin na, it's not just faith but it's also taking action and us asking for help, and then andun na rin po yung accountability na, eto nakakaharang pa 'tong ugali kong 'to sa success ko, so have to let it go unti-unti, and ang galing lang, Coach, sabi ko ano, "Ay oo nga 'no, naaral ko 'to." Ta's titingnan ko yung handouts ko, ta's sabi ko, "Oo nga 'no, naaral ko." Ta's papakinggan ko yung audio recording kasi you really have an additional and powerful knowledge kapag second, third time mo
Yeah.
siyang inaral because it already comes now with a deeper awareness and that self-consciousness na, ito na pala yung ginagawa ko, sige nga ulitin ko pang aralin. So ayun, Coach, dun sabi ko, it's one of the scariest investment I did, but ang gaan nung naging talon talaga. Sabi ko, if someone would see me years ago saka ngayon, parang, "Anong ginawa mo?" Gano'n yung magiging tanong nila, "What did you do?" "NLP." It's easy to say, NLP, yun po.
There's a possibility for us to change talaga, no? It's syempre faith with the Lord, and also
Yes,
all the things that the Lord will give us, the tools and techniques that the Lord will give us. For me kasi NLP and timeline therapy are just tools eh. Tools
yes,
to kumbaga help us answer our prayers, no? And
yes, yes,
it's a way that to affirm that for me the Lord is there. Hindi tayo pinapabayaan ni Lord kasi yung mga hinihingi natin binibigay talaga. Pero syempre, hindi naman magiging madali. We have to deserve it, no?
yes.
That's why, 'di ba, knock and the door shall be open. no?
Yeah.
It doesn't mean that ibibigay niya lahat dyan sa loob. So you still bibigyan tayo ng opportunity. We have to still work for the
Yeah.
opportunity.
Saka
So,
ano po, nakakatuwa rin kasi coach to add din that yung parang NLP made me open my mind to interconnect everything that I am
yeah.
studying. Kasi parang ano po ibabalik siya na halimbawa inaaral ko po 'to sa, lesson sa Bible or eto sa copywriting. Tapos parang bigla na lang yung isip ko na, yung concept ng NLP ganito connected dito.
Yeah.
Parang 'di ba other people they tend to, nagka-clash kasi kaya hindi ko yan puwede aralin. Ako po what happened to me is lalo ko siyang na-synthesize because NLP has so many concept that it's easy for me now to use it as a toolbox.
Yeah.
Na, okey ito yung kailangan ko yung parang ayan may martilyo ko, may ano ko, may saw, may ano ko, yung mga screwdriver gano'n. So sabi ko it's really in the intention, yun na nga po yung paulit yung nire-remind because I'm more than ready when I studied NLP. It becomes so easy for me to apply all the concepts. And sabi ko, naglalaro pa nga lang po ako ngayon. Sabi ko, what if kaya if I become more strategic pa? Kasi sabi
Yeah.
ko parang ang gaan lang talaga coach yun. Kaya thank you po kasi siyempre if you did not, take the step, sabi ko, sino magse-certify sa amin? Kasi sabi ko ano po, I really prayed for a Filipino mentor na NLPing mag-ano, magse-certify. Kasi siyempre iba po yung nuance if
Yeah.
in our own culture to teach us, to mentor us. And then ayun sabi ko, okay, 2023 was the answered prayer.
I believe Filipinos deserve world class, Coach RJ. Yan
Yes,
talaga yung
yes,
mindset ko eh. Yung parang, bakit pa tayo sa labas? Pwede naman dito. And same or better level, no?
yes.
Compared to other schools there. That's why ayoko kasi yung kayo, pag let's say you meet other NLP practitioners from abroad, yung parang may insecure kayo sa kanila. Ayoko
Oo.
yung ganyan. Gusto ko na pag nami-meet mo sila, you could just communicate, you could easily connect with each other, you know that you
Yes,
understand each other, and walang limit. That's what I
yes,
want for you, ng mga students ko. Kasi when I would communicate with them, they would listen. Right? Sabi
yes,
ko, then
yes.
dito ko naisip na, yeah, kapare-pareha lang pala tayo and really deep dive here. We become better.
Yes.
We are better.
Going to my childhood, ang dami ko kasi talagang pinagdaanan. And nakatulong talaga sa akin na choir ako sa church, involved ako sa church, ganyan. Kasi parang naging yun yung outlet ko eh. Doon sa mga emotional trauma ko, yung mga questions ko before na bakit bata pa lang ako, bakit ko kailangan maranasan to, bakit ganito, ang dami kong bakit. But na-realize ko din na I need to take action eh. I need to I cannot do anything dun sa mga nangyayari sa akin. Kaya ako nag-persevere talaga na umalis dun sa amin. At 15 years old, I'm a working student already. Dun ako talaga sobrang thankful and grateful talaga kay God kasi hindi niya talaga ako pinabayaan kahit na sobrang struggle talaga. Ang daming instruments na tumulong sa akin. And along the way, akala ko okay na ako, coach eh. Akala ko naka-let go na ako kasi 'di ba sabi nga lagi sa pagka nag-church tayo, nagsisimba tayo, 77 times ka magpatawad, you need to forgive, 'di ba? So, sa akin na-forgive, I think na-forgive ko na yung situation ko. I forgive the people, especially my mother. Not knowing na, oh my God, we're having the sessions. Doon ko na-realize na may resentment pa pala ako. Hindi pa pala talaga ako buo. Kaya pala may mga bagay na doon ko na-realize na may mga patterns ako
Yeah.
na I really need to overcome. Kaya yun coach, yun yung nakatulong kasi nagkaroon ako ng clarity and nagkaroon talaga ako ng, yun yung gusto kong ibigay dun sa mga clients ko saka sa mga listeners natin na it's really important to have this emotional freedom. Kasi akala natin okay na tayo eh. Pero deep inside, hindi pa pala tayo okay.
Despite the success that we already have all those things, kumbaga, no, material things or wealth, pero merong kulang pa rin. Bakit mabigat pa rin yung buhay natin? Emotional freedom talaga.
Kasi ko coach, before I keep on blaming, I keep on condemning people, I keep on criticizing as if life happens to me. Ang dami kong mga hinanakit, ang dami kong mga grievances, resentments over people and situation na then I try to be manipulative as well. Kasi, syempre, di ba, sabi mo nga, success-driven tayo. Gusto ko ito, hindi pwedeng hindi ko to makuha. Di ba? And masyado din ako nagiging reactive dun sa mga situations and people around me, not knowing na I need to detach pala. So yun yung natutunan ko when I go through your program. I was able to learn more about myself. I found clarity, and dun ko naintindihan na life happens for me, na I should be at cause. Na what I perceive is my projection. Kaya coach talaga yung perception is projection natin. It's really important talaga, and I keep on telling it. I keep on educating not only my family, my friends, and all of my clients that our perception is really our projection. I learned that we cannot control people and situations. And pagka binigay yung gusto natin, we really need to be thankful and grateful for. Pero pagka hindi binigay, it means hindi pa time, wala pa yung proper timing. And it means then coach na we need to learn pa, na hindi pa tayo ready. Kahit na feeling natin ready na tayo, pero alam mo yun coach, ang daming nangyari sa buhay ko na sobrang masakit after daming triggers.
Yeah.
But I'm so thankful and grateful kasi na-handle ko siya ng maayos, and at the same time, yung opportunities na dumating, nagte-thank you ako kasi na-delay. Sabi ko nga coach, 'di ba? Delayed means not denied. So, kumbaga, may mga delay lang, pero pagka ready na tayo coach, mas nagiging effective tayo. And very important talaga coach na yung reflection talaga natin kasi importante talaga yung intention natin eh. Ano ba yung intention natin? And doon ko na-realize, coach, na yung intention pala hindi dapat selfish. Yung intention pala, it's not just for me, but for my family, for the society. Hindi lang ikaw talaga. Kasi pagka sarili mo lang, wala eh. Wala yung blessing ni God. Pero kapag you're open na, Lord, I wanted to get this kasi I'll be helping a lot of people, I'll be ganito, kumbaga, maraming taong makikinabang coach, yun. Sobrang, doon naman talaga, yung blessing talaga, andun lagi.
How tools, no? Simple tools na nagagamit natin for ourselves. Pwede rin nating itulong sa ibang tao.
Reason why I took the NLP and the timeline and the hypnotherapy, ang goal ko talaga is magkaroon ako ng emotional freedom kasi I feel na may kulang. I feel na meron akong emptiness. I feel na may mga bagay pa akong hindi nila-let go. And I really wanted to learn ano yun. Kaya may kulang eh. And being a parent, being a wife, being a mother to 3 beautiful children, ayokong danasin nila yung nadanasan ko. I wanted to become a good mother, a good partner to my husband, a good mentor to my team. And gusto kong maging magandang example dun sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa akin. And paano ko magagawa yun kung if I will not walk my talk, 'di ba? Ang pinaka-goal ko talaga is for myself muna and my family. I wanted to help my children, to coach them. Kasi coach, right now, ang dami nating nababalitaan, ang daming batang may anxiety, ang daming nagsisuicide, which nangyari lahat sa akin yon. I always have anxiety attacks dati. Tapos alam mo yung coach ng bata ko para akong nababaliw na. Alam mo yung inaano ko yung buhok ko kasi nga sobra talagang depressed ko. And then wala akong nasasabihan, tapos yung societal pressures, and then yung pressure pa sa school, and then yung life namin, wala akong parents that time, namatay yung father ko when I was 13 years old. So parang wala akong kakampi. Then kumbaga, I really wanted to take my life. Kasi parang feeling ko walang nakaintindi sa akin eh. And I wanted to protect my children. Lalo na ngayon, coach, 'di ba? Sobrang tindi ng pressure. Ang dami kong mga clients ngayon ng mga bata. Not only the kids, pero may mga clients ako ngayon na they're on their 40s, 50s, pero why they're having anxiety? Ang alam mo, coach, ko ano yung na-realize ko, why? Kasi meron silang something na hindi pa na-fulfill. They need to have clarity on what they really, really wanted to have in their life or to do in their lives. And very important talaga, coach, yung makita nila ano yung purpose nila. Kasi tayo, coach, 'di ba? We've seen it. We've seen it with our clients, we've seen it in our society na it's not just money. 'Di ba? Merong something eh. The reason why we're here is not just to learn, 'di ba? Not just for ourselves. But ano ba yung pwede nating ma-contribute not only with our family, but with the people na binibigay sa atin ni God. Parang may kulang pa din. So yun yung gusto ko dun sa atin kasi we have the timeline therapy. Ang laki talaga ng impact sa akin. And ako mismo, nakita ko rin yung impact nun sa mga clients ko and sa mga kaibigan ko, even my family. Kasi talagang yung emotional baggage, talagang you're able to let it go. Kaya yun talaga yung importance nun, coach, yung especially the anger, the sadness, 'di ba? Yung resentment, the fear, the anxiety, yung mga limiting belief natin na naging limiting decision na natin, 'di ba? Na akala natin yun lang pala tayo, yung pala hindi, 'di ba? Mas malaki pa pala yung ano, yung na mas matindi pa pala yung kailangan nating gawin, na mas may magagawa pala tayo, na we are empowered, 'di ba? Na we are one with God. 'Di ba? We have this power na kailangan lang natin gisingin so that we can be of service not for ourselves but for a lot of people.
These are tools that help us answer our prayers eh. 'Di ba? We pray to the Lord about kung pwede magbago yung buhay natin, matapos na yung pinagdaanan natin, and then suddenly ibibigay sa yung NLP, timeline therapy. Kumbaga nahi-heal natin yung resentment natin, yung guilt, no? All those baggages in our life, Coach Maris.
At saka coach, 'di ba? Ang dali kasi nating sabihin na we forgive.
Yes.
Yes, we forgive. Pero alam mo yung coach, yung natutunan ko dito na when you are talking about the people or the situation that gave you pain or suffering, when you're talking about it, you're thanking God na you're able to experience it. Kasi hindi katulad sa akin, coach, meron akong isang mentor. Alam niya talaga lahat na nangyari sa akin when he asked me, Maris, paano pag binigyan ka ng chance ni God na baguhin yung past mo? Babaguhin mo ba? Sabi ko, hindi. Sabi ko, kasi dun ako naging strong eh. And dun ko talaga mas lalong nakilala si God na talagang hindi ako pinabayaan during those moments kasi I fight. I was able to finish my studies. I was able to help my brother and my sister. And I met the love of my life, ganyan. So kumbaga talagang everything talaga, coach, is really worth it. And thankful and grateful ako for those kung maintindihan ng mga tao na life happens for them.
Yeah.
You cannot control people or situations, but what we can control is ourselves, di ba? And to trust the process because we are one with the universe, we are one with God, di ba?
With timeline therapy, I was able to say thank you.
Yes,
Thank
coach.
you sa mga nangyari sa akin dati na
Coach, di ba?
traumatizing, di ba?
And wala nang wala nang pain, 'di ba? Parang you can easily tell it to people, 'di ba? For them to learn with our experiences. Sabi nga, coach, 'di ba? Sabi nga ng isang mentor ko, when you learn from other people's experiences, then nakakatipid ka ng failure kasi you are learning from them. And kaya rin ako, coach, mapili din ako sa circle ko kasi kung yung circle ko they drag me down and then sila pa yung parang nagiging cause para mas lalo akong ma-depress, 'di ba? And kahit nasabihan ko sila na para syempre tayo, coach, 'di ba? We tell them kasi we know already the tools that we need to use, 'di ba? And to how to facilitate those tools to our clients. But sometimes kasi even with our friends, if they don't want to use it, it means they're not ready, 'di ba? So wala tayong magagawa. Nasa kanila talaga kung if they will accept it or not. Yes.
Pero yung advantage natin is we know tools and techniques na pwede nating i-chisel down, no? Na dahan-dahan, na-break natin yung resistance nila towards change. After a while, when we, kumbaga, help them, unconsciously natutulungan sila dahan-dahan. But syempre, it takes time. Meron tayong tools to help them kaysa wala talaga, no? Puro,
Yes,
wala
coach.
talaga, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Parang depressed na rin tayo kasi hindi natin sila matulong-tulungan na magbago. The right process, the right mentor, and the right community. Pag tama yung tatlo na to, you will fly. And what's amazing with us is that you get to have those three. Change your mindset, release what you need to release, will guide you, hahawakan namin yung kamay mo hanggang lumipad ka, and we will support you all the way.
Biglang nag-fast track lahat ng mga goals. Naalala mo yung parang ang naging challenge natin before is that hindi ako maka-move forward, hindi ako makapag-take ng step towards coaching and mentoring. Hindi ako maka-move doon. Tapos, after nung master prac, parang biglang nag-fast track lahat. Nagkaroon agad ako ng paying client. Tapos, sunod-sunod nagkaroon ako ng social media presence, nagkaroon ng publication, tapos ang daming ngayong invites for speaking, kaya ang dami kong content. Di ko alam, coach, ko na-follow mo ako sa social media, pero ang dami na siyang mga naka-imbak na mga video ngayon, mga pinagkukuha, tapos yun yung mga ginagawa sa social media presence. Tapos mga invites sa mga presentation. Even before this, may call na ako kasi may schedule na for March, may naka-schedule na for April. Tapos pagbiyahe ko sa February sa Dubai, meron uling recording. Yung parang natutupad yung goal.
Mm.
Ang goal ko, di ba, yung parang ano ba yung life purpose ko para sa akin is that to be able to change lives, parang magkaroon ng dent into the society, into the world, na para sa akin to change lives of 500 people, men and women, or more. Na parang before, nung ginol ko yun, parang, grabe, ang hirap nun. Parang 500 in the lifetime na. Pero ngayon, coach, ang bilis. Ang bilis gawin na nag-post ka.
Mm.
Tapos, ang daming comments, ang daming DM na sinishare nila yung life nila, and then you give something to them, you tell them what to do and so on. Ito yung gusto ko, to be able to really impact lives. It's really timing. Kasi that was supposed to be published back October, November last year. Wala akong picture na maganda. So, ang nangyari, it took some time. Pero yung waiting time na yun yung time na pagkatapos lumabas yung publication, nagsunod-sunod. I think, God willing talaga yun. Ito yung ready ka na.
Yeah.
Siguro ng time na yun, I wouldn't be ready for that. Pero ngayon ready. Naka-design talaga. Timing. Baga.
And alam mo ba, coach, doon ka lang nalaman yung story mo na from secretary to in the corporate, nasa taas.
Nandun na ako.
Oh, yes.
Siguro, coach, naalala mo nung nag-start kasi tayo. Yun yung sinabi ko sa'yo na siguro doon sa mga nakikinig or nag-watch nito, ang nasa idea nila is that paano kayo nagkakilala ni Coach, ganyan, ni Coach June. So, nagkakilala kasi tayo out of nowhere that we were in the same investment course. Tapos, nung time na yon, siguro magulat ka, bigla kitang kinontak. Hindi naman tayo nag-contact when it comes to parang nag-ask lang tayo about financials, di ba? Ano ba to? Is it good? Tapos, immediately, nung tinignan ko yung profile mo, nag-click siya ang kailangan ko. Tapos, immediately called you and said, I'm very interested. Tapos, we had a call and then that took forward. Pero yung backstory nun is that I went through all of those processes of studying, continuously studying, learning, getting all the diplomas and certificates I got from University of Barcelona, another degree from Harvard Business School. With all of those things, with all of those degrees, I never felt like enough na ba ako? I never felt na am I ready for the next role? Na parang andyan sila pero theoretically, mga libro, studies, alam ko. Pero kung paano ko siya i-implement sa mga taong matataas sa akin, I have this limiting belief na, kaya ko ba? Ano bang tingin nila sa akin? Sino ba ako?
Yeah.
Admin lang ako, tapos ngayon magmamanager ka, tapos biglang mag-uutos ka, di ba? So parang ang ginawa ko, kasi I started from admin nga Tapos parang inisip ko, teka, kailangan ko mag-aral. Kaya nag-aral ako, nag-masters. Kasi parang feeling ko, yun yung magpapakapal sa balat ko, magbibigay sa akin ng
Yeah.
lakas ng loob at magsasabi sa akin, you're enough, you're good. But that didn't work. Yun yung time na nag-Harvard ako, tapos pagkatapos ng Harvard ko, parang hindi ko maramdaman that I'm ready for the next step. Until I met you, parang sabi ko, kailangan ko siya, pero hindi ko alam kung paano at kung ano. Basta alam ko, it will work for me. Kasi, nababasa ko naman yun Parang, alam ko yung concept ng NLP. Theoretically, apply ko. Pero, yung lalim niya, after nating mag-sessions, after kong mag-attend ng program, nabago ko dun. Kaya nung nabago ko, nag-session tayo December
Yeah.
Nag-start tayo December. Finish in January. Ang lakas-lakas ko. Ang lakas-lakas ko. Yun yung time na nagkaroon ng role na inopen. Dubai-based ako. Ang role ay sa Saudi. Tapos, ano na yun mataas na yun Mataas na level na yun Kaya ko. Ganun kalakas yung impact sa akin. Kaya ko yun. So, I applied. believe me, coach, nung in-interview ko, hindi ko nakilala yung sarili ko. Hindi ko nakilala yung sarili ko. Kasi nung in-interview ako, it wasn't being arrogant or telling your accomplishment. It was very humbling nung umattend ako ng interview. Kasi I was just telling kung ano yung mga nagawa, mga projects, without feeling like I'm not enough. I felt like I deserve to highlight all of these things. And guess what? It's up to them whether they like it or not because I'm cool with it. Parang, okay, kung di nyo ako gusto, okay lang ako. Pero I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be here. And I'm gonna speak up. And it's up to you. Yung level ng confidence ko nung humarap ako doon, hindi arrogance, yung confidence sa sarili, hindi yabang. Sa tingin ko yun yung nag-change. I trusted na kung ano yung na-achieve ko, kung ano man yung mga experience ko, makakatulong sa kanila. And I hope they see that. So yun yung nangyari. So I got the role. No-brainer. Parang after ng interview ko, hindi na sila naghahanap. Okay na yun. Ang done deal. Ganun yung nangyari. Hindi lang sa gusto kong ma-promote. Kasi being in Dubai, manager role naman na yun eh. Kaya lang, they always see me as someone from an admin tapos bigla kang magiging manager. And it's not only them seeing me, it's me seeing myself. Tapos nung nag-NLP ako, na-change ko kung how I see myself. Siguro kahit naman nasa Dubai ako, given kung babalik natin, after NLP, tapos nasa Dubai pa rin ako, I think things will still change. Kasi hindi naman nabago yung tingin nila sa akin eh, pero nabago yung tingin ko sa sarili ko. So I think that shift, that switch, when that was turned on, like, no one is telling you who you are, you tell who you are, you define who you are, you define what you can do. That changed everything. The way I see myself, perception and projection to coach eh. Alam mo yun eh. I have always been perceiving myself as someone lesser. So people saw me lesser. But when I saw myself as someone not lesser, but someone who can deliver, people started seeing me like that. So yun yung naging difference. Perception. How I perceive myself.
Yeah. Perception is projection. Exactly. Coach, ang galing, coach. No? You've grown so much. Imagine every time that you join, parang nagle-level up ka. Then after that, magle-level up ka na naman. That's the power of what we do, coach. And
Yes.
we just have to, kumbaga, immerse in it, do it for ourselves, and at the same time, kung ano yung mga kailangan nating baguhin, you do it in the process. Ito lang naman magpapabago sa buhay mo. Why would you, kumbaga, kukontrahin mo pa?
Oo. Alam mo, isa siguro sa mga, tatlo yung lagi kong ginagamit sa akin sa mga tools ng NLP na sa tingin ko, change the way I see people and change the way I see myself. Cause and effect.
Cousin.
Yes. Yan yung number one na tinuro mo na talagang tumanim sa isip ko. Tapos lagi ko rin yung sinishare even sa family ko. It's a matter of how you want to position yourself. Do you want to play the victim part and say like, you know what, I'm not responsible to it. It's theirs. It's theirs. Gaya before. Like, yun ako before. I was always saying na I won't get the job because they don't see me competent. When I changed that, like, no. I wasn't fit at that time because I didn't see myself competent. When I changed the narrative, then that's the time it changed. So yun yung number one. Tapos yung number two sa akin yung perception, projection. Yung number three, I think, something na masasabi kong respect, model of the world.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, nung tinuro yun, yung sinabi mo na parang, di kung ayaw niya, di ba? Kung gusto niya, all you have to do is respect and see it from their point of view. You don't have to argue. You don't have to say like, but that's wrong. Or you don't have to say that, you don't have to contradict. It's just a matter of like, oh, that's your perception or that's how you see it. Then I would always go like, oo nga, paano ba yun? Ngayon ang ano na pag yung hindi ko naiintindihan ang sinasabi nila and parang naiinis ako, parang hindi nga yan ang gusto ko, 'di ba? Ay parang gano'n. Bigla akong isipin, sayang si NLP gamitin mo. Can you tell me more about this? You know what? I'm really not very much aware of what your point of view is and I wanna know. Can you explain further? Ganun na ako ngayon. And I apply that not only at work, lalo na sa family. And kung sasabihin natin na ano yung impact, the most impact ng NLP for me? Family. Oh, syempre, work you would. But family for me. Kasi I changed the way I talk to my husband, kay Gary. I changed the way I talk to my daughter. And now, yung conversation namin, alam mo yun, yung bago kayo mag-away,
Mm-mm.
magpa-process ka na muna. Yung parang magagalit ka na. Tapos magpa-process ka muna. Yung choice ko to, ito yung sinabi mo nung ganun eh. Yung external, tsaka initial reaction, hindi mo mababago yan eh. Pero from that initial reaction, yung susunod niyan, responsibility mo na. So yun, yung pagka naiinis ka, tapos biglang, teka muna, yung susunod nito magagalit na ako, sisigaw na ako. Teka lang, kaya kitang kontrolin. Huwag ka munang lalabas, huwag ka munang magagalit. Understand mo muna. So ganun na yun. So that changed everything. That changed everything. Sole decision maker, ngayon hindi na. Always collaborative decision making. Na hindi na siya kailangan pagtalunan.
Once again, I'm June Acevedo, a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach and a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer. I help entrepreneurs and business leaders break through their mental and emotional barriers, develop unshakable confidence, and master high performance strategies so you can scale your business, influence with impact, and achieve unstoppable success using powerful tools in neurolinguistic programming, hypnotherapy, and timeline therapy. Now, if you want to learn more and you want to book a discovery session with me, send me a message and let's have a 30-minute to 1 hour discovery session. Let me help you transform your life.